So this video is going to talk about exercise 4.3, question 3 to 8. So for question 3, they're asking to find intersection between L1 and L2. So first of all, we have that L1 is going to be x equal to 4, and we have L2 is 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. There's two ways. The first one is the easiest way. You can just change it becomes x plus 0y equal to 4. And then now I have 4x minus y equal to negative 7. So what I want is change the simultaneous equation into this format. All of the variables are on the left. So x and y are the variables. If in this equation they don't have the y, which means it's plus the 0y. And then we need to put all of the constants and numbers on the right hand side. So again, the variables on the left hand side, the constants on the right hand side. Then you can use the program one. You can use the program 1 to press 1, 0, 4, and then 4, negative 7. So 1, 0, 4, and then we press 4, negative 1, and negative 7. Then you can get the value of x and y. Okay, so that's using the program method, but at least you need to write down this to show me that you're trying to use the program 1 method, or else you can just use the substitution. So first of all, you can call it this is the So this is going to be the first equation, this is the second equation, then we can do to substitute 1 into 2. So we can just replace the x by 4. I replace this x by 4. So now I have 4 times 4 minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So now we're trying to solve the equation of this y. So we have a negative y here, so then move it to the right, becomes positive y. And then 4 times 4 gives you 16, plus 7 giving you 23. So now I get the value of y is equal to 23. So you can say that the intersection is for 23. So that's for question 3. Now we're trying to do question 4. So in question 4, we have two equations. The L1, that is y plus 3 equal to 0. L2, that is 5x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So first of all, we can use the program 1. So from here, they don't have the x, so you need to plus 0x. So you can write 0x plus y equal to negative 3. So what you have done, just move this positive 3 to the right, it becomes negative. And the second step is going to be 5x plus 3y equal to 11. So now I can just press the program 1 to press 0, 1, negative 3, 5, 3, 11 to get the value of x and y. So for the other method, we can starting from this first and second equation. So from the first equation, we can have this y is actually equal to negative 3. Y to negative 3. Then I can substitute this y equal to negative 3 into the second equation. So I can just change all of the y here, becomes negative 3. So now I have 5x plus 3 times negative 3 minus 11 equals 0. Then I'm trying to solve this equation with x. So now I have this is negative 9 minus 11 gives you negative 20. So we have 5x minus 20 equal to 0. I move the negative 20 to the right hand side, becomes positive. So I have 5x equal to 20. So the x is equal to 20 divided by 5, giving you 4. So the intersection is going to be x equal to 4, y equal to negative 3. So the intersection is equal to 4, negative 3. Okay, so that's for question 3 and 4.